Morning. Today I'm going to show you how I spend my day at Syopz. I arrived at 7:30 today to catch the morning lecture at 8. Before that, I'll have some breakfast first. Today I'm having roti bakar and Taylorian. Time to go to class. We're done with the classes for now. Let's grab some lunch. Once lunch is over, I'm excited to continue with my class. After class, I meet up with some friends to discuss our group assignment at the atrium. After a long day, it is nice and peaceful to have a drink by the lake to wind down and wait for the traffic home to subside. Or you can stay and have dinner at Syopz. It is lively here at night as well. That is how I spend my day at Syopz. See you around. Good night.